when you have 6 to 10 degrees difference between day and night, thermal mass is brilliant to start to work with. Now what we did in this very one here, if I go back, this building in here, you can see there's an atrium here. It's facing south. This is one. Secondly, it has a basement. This is a basement where the first, second and third basement under the ground. The idea that I had was between 12 to 14 degrees. Now, in a place when you have 40 degrees in the summer and minus 12 in the winter, that number of degrees that you are saving is enormous on the saving side. The client insists to put 2 chillers and 2 large boilers. Till today, because I still go there, they don't use more than one of them. Now, that air comes under. We have the huge channels that comes in here. We absorb the air from this end. We go into about 70, 80 meters large, and we supply all the air not only to the air handling units, we supply them just under here, what you can see from here. This is raised floor. It flushes all the concrete of the building and it comes in. The temperature that you feel in this very building here, the difference is this: you are bringing the air from under the ground at not far from the temperature of the ground. You don't use too much heating or cooling, and it will push all the heat all the way up. This is what we call occupied zone. For me it's here, for you maybe it's here. So anything above we don't care about. Now, just by itself, it's saving about 25–30% of the energy required for the building. The atrium is absorbing during the winter a lot of heat, and it's being distributed. Now, this is being categorized as a renewable energy. 73% on the second building, and 71% on the third building that we did as well, saving energy throughout the year. So, here you understand, first, this is offices building. You understand the behavior of the people. You're understanding what you are building with. By the way, we didn't put any false ceiling. It has to be exposed concrete anyway. And you understand the ground you're sitting in. And you merge them together. And this is how the saving is happening. Now today they can put the ask to put solar panels on top to sell back to the grid. But they can do it at ease. This is what happened with it. Basically the building, this is the chart I was showing before, this is how we reduce. The renewable can come in and reduce quite a lot. This is the building here, I said to you, this is the second one, the first finished. This is in here what we did, this is concrete on top, this is raised floor, and this is the atrium in the middle, was more like a bioclimatic zone for the whole building.